Hey guys, we are back for another fun PE lesson. We are going to start our second underhand rolling lesson. Let's jump right in. Today's learning objectives are: I can demonstrate the 4 cues to the underhand roll, I can bring my best effort, and I can use knowledge from other PE lessons to help perform the underhand rolling movement. Now, let's get started with our warm-up.
Joke fitness. Are you ready to laugh and get some exercise? You will have 10 seconds to rest and hear the next joke question. You will get a surprise exercise for 30 seconds. After 15 seconds, I'll give you the answer to the joke. Keep exercising until the next question comes up. What goes over your head and under your feet, but doesn't cover your body? A jump rope. Who would win if a tomato, a squash, and some lettuce had a race? The lettuce would be ahead, the squash would be stuck in the middle, and the tomato would have to catch up. What is a pirate's favorite subject in school? Art class, of course. Where do cows like to go? The movies. Why can't zoo animals be trusted to take tests? There are too many cheetahs. What is the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can tune a guitar, but you can't tune a fish. Where do monkeys get their exercise? The jungle gym.
Okay, one more, guys. Last one.
What has 1,000 needles but doesn't sew?
Okay, good job with the warm-up, guys. Let's get started with our actual underhand rolling lesson. Okay, let's quickly review the cues we talked about last week. First is the ready position. This is the first cue. The second cue is arm back. The third cue is step with opposite foot. See on the screen here how I'm stepping with my opposite foot of the side where I have the ball in my hand. So the ball is in my right hand, I'm stepping with my left foot, this is my opposite foot. And the last one is bend and roll. See how I'm bending down and getting low? Before we jump in with our equipment, let's practice our 4 cues without first. Remember, ready, arm back, opposite foot, and then bend and roll. In your space for 1 minute, practice these cues. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Now it's time for equipment. Teachers, please pass out 2 pieces of paper to each student. You may need to pause the video as well, teachers. Once you get your equipment, students, please make 1 paper ball like we did last week, and the other piece of paper will be used for a target later in the lesson. Okay, now that we have a paper ball, on the other sheet we're going to make a target, similar to last week, but we're going to use it as a game this week. Draw a large circle and inside that, make a 10. Then, inside your large circle, make a really small circle and put 50 inside. We're going to use this for a target in the lesson. Now, let's practice. Remember to use the 4 cues. Ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. You're going to place your chair in the corner of your space. You're going to have 1 minute. When I did this, I hit my chair 6 times. So this week, I'm going to see if you guys can beat 6 in 1 minute. You've got 1 minute. Good luck. Okay, time's up. Everybody freeze. Whenever you see this, please put your paper ball on your desk and freeze and wait for more instructions. Now, take your chair and flip it over like you see in the GIF in the top left. We're going to make a tunnel for us to roll through. Remember, use our 4 cues: ready, arm back, opposite foot, and bend and roll. Coach Essick's best score is 11 in 1 minute. Can you beat 11? We're going to start the timer now. Good luck. Okay, time's up. Everybody freeze. Now, let's get out our other piece of paper, the one that you made the target on. When I did this challenge in 1 minute, I scored 180 points. Do you think you can beat 180 in 1 minute? Remember, let's use our 4 underhand rolling cues: ready, arm back, opposite foot, and bend and roll. You've got 1 minute. Count up how many points you can get on your target. Ready? Go. Okay, time's up. Did you beat 180 points? Everybody, freeze. Now, let's try a smaller target. Take your paper that we just used for that last challenge and fold it in half. This is going to make it smaller. Remember, we are going to use those 4 underhand rolling cues. When I did this challenge, I had 4 successful attempts in 1 minute. Do you think you can beat 4 successful attempts in 1 minute on your now smaller target? Let's see if you can do it. You've got 1 minute. Good luck. Okay, time's up. Everybody freeze. Now it's time for our last challenge. We're going to work with a partner like we did last week. I need you to pay close attention to how your partner uses the 4 underhand cues of ready, arm back, opposite foot, bend and roll. You're going to have 1 minute. See how many times you and your partner can successfully roll in between your legs in a row. You've got 1 minute. Good luck. Okay, time's up. Everybody freeze. Now, how do you think you did? This was a new skill for many of us. We've barely practiced a little bit last week. What do you think about your ability to perform the 4 underhand rolling cues after we've practiced these last 2 lessons? Is it a green thumbs up for really good? Is it an orange sideways thumb for okay, but still need some more practice? Or is it a red thumbs down for I still need a lot of practice? Teachers, will you ask students to please show us the answer? Okay, great job everybody. Great lesson, and let's look forward to even more fun next week in PE. Great job.